today is my birthday, and I got a bunch of slimes. This is like a cloud dough slime, and then these are just like hoodies and like slimes. Okay, and I got my nails done. So cute. Okay, I think first we should start with this one, then we'll move on to that. So, bye. Okay, first we're gonna do like biggest, biggest slimes. First we're gonna start with this like butter slime. It's green. So I already played with like all the slimes, so I already know what they feel like. Okay, let's open this. And some of them are like a little sticky, but yeah. Okay, let's drop that. Let's take it out. Some of them are really crunchy. The next one that I'm gonna do is really crunchy. So yeah. Yeah, so I think this one is called, it don't say, but it doesn't really smell like anything. So yeah, that's it for the greenie. Say bye, greenie. Bye, greenie. Wait, oh, that was loud. Sorry, greenie. Next, we have, this is a bubble pop. It's really nice. It's like so crunchy, and I love it. It smells like strawberries. Yeah, because the scent is, it smells strawberry. I think this one was like a ice cream, like a mint ice cream scent. It is really nice. Okay, so this is the crunchy slime. It's really crunchy. You probably can't see, but you probably can. But like it has like little white thingies. It's so cute. Okay. Next. Next we have this cherry scent. Oh, okay. Didn't know that he was filming because he didn't count down. But this is a cherry scent. It's a super stretch, and yeah, my photographer had to plug his phone in, so yeah, I got to play with it while he was doing that. Oh my word, that was sticky, but it smells like cherries, which is really nice, and it's like actually really stretchy. Like look how stretchy that is, and it's like actually makes like really good bubbles too. So yeah, and once again, this is cherry scent. This is like probably like my second favorite out of all of them. This is the pink one. The big pink one is like my favorite. This is in second place. This is second. Yeah. Next, we're gonna do like a cotton candy foam one. Don't mind the background noise. My brother is like watching something. I have no clue what it is. So this is cotton candy. It has like tiny little foam beads. It's so cute. And it actually is like really crunchy too. Okay, so this is my slime. It's a foam slime and it's cotton candy scent. which is really nice. I love it. I love the set. So first of all, this is in like third place. My butter one is in like, oops, I'll take that real quick. The green one is in fourth place. Where'd that go? So, yeah. Next, we're gonna do this one. This one is also super stretch, and it is vanilla. I love this one. It's so nice. I haven't gotten to play with it yet, but my friends that came to my birthday gotten to play with it, and they told me that it smells so good, and it does. Like when it feels so nice, and it's actually really stretchy. Like, and it's kind of sticky, and it gives like the best bubble pops. So, yeah. I'm gonna try to do a bubble. Okay. It might be tiny, or it might not work. I don't know. Oh shoot, I'm in a hole. And like, if you guys comment this, then I'll mix like all of them together. Like not like all of it, but like just like a little bit. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh dang it, that was bad. Whatever. I'm just gonna move on to the next one. So that was my vanilla super stretch one, which I love. This is gonna kick the cotton candy out of third place, and that one's in third. Duh. Okay, next we're gonna do this. It's another foam one, but this one is banana scent. And I'm just looking at the cover because it like shows me like a little picture of it. So yeah. And this one also has like tiny little beads, which is so cute. And it's like so crunchy. So nice. And it feels like so nice on my hands. It's like so satisfying. So yeah. Next, we are going to do another foam one. Then after that, we have one more, and then we'll move on to the big one. Woo-hoo. Okay, actually, yeah, we'll do the foam one. This is another foam. It's a great set. This one is really stretchy. Well, it's not stretchy, but like it's like really crunchy too. It smells so good too. Oh my God. So this is nice. It's really crunchy. It's really nice. I love it. So this one's in fourth place now. I can't really keep track, so we're just gonna place them. I'll just do like, yeah. I'll just like place them. This one is a super stretch again. And it is orange scent. There's like a lot of it in there. Oh, it's like little seeds. So cute. Yeah, so this was orange. The reason why I'm going so fast is because I don't want to like waste a bunch of time. Yeah, and I kind of want to get to the big slime. Okay, we're all done, but now we're gonna place them. In first place, we have, drum roll please. We have the bubble pop. It's so nice. So honey, you're gonna be in first. In second place, we have another super stretch, the cherry super stretch. So that's in second place. And then third place, we have another super strike, but it's vanilla. So yeah, that's my, so first, second, and third. So yeah, let's put that out of the way. Now, it's time for if I can even open it. There we go. Maybe. Yay! Oh, it's gotten stiffer. Why does it get like so like stiff? I'm gonna take it all out. Maybe, if I can. It's like really hard to get out because it's so sticky. Can you guys like comment below like why it's so sticky? I should probably put my hands up for this. And yes, it is getting stuck under my nails. So just okay, we're just gonna like take as much as we can out because this is kind of frustrating me. Bro, I have no idea what my brother's watching, but it's very annoying. Or maybe it's just like an ad. I don't know. Hey, I got it all out. Whoop, whoop. Oh, bro. This is so big. Like humongous. It's like as big as my face. Shoot, I probably shouldn't do that. So this is really big, like really big. So yeah, I don't know how to control it, but it's really big. So I can try to do a bubble, but it's probably like impossible to do it with cloud dough. Well, it's butter cloud, but same thing. And guess what, guys? This right here was the color that it was supposed to be, right there. But then look at the color that turned. Like, does that look any close to the color, to that color? No, it does not. And like, bro, how are we even supposed to like function with it? It's like so big. So let's just hope for the best. So yeah, that was all my slimes. I still have like another slime, but it's like a fart slime, so everybody knows like how that works. Celebrity softball. I do softball. Just getting like stuck everywhere, which is annoying. Okay. Sorry, I was just eating something. But thanks for watching. I'll see you later. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and like this video. And comment down below what I should do next. Bye.